The observatory issued the number 8 northeast scale or storm signal at 10:40 p.m. Severe tropical storm Higos will be closest to Hong Kong within the next couple of hours, skirting within 150 kilometers to the southwest of Hong Kong. The winds over the territory are expected to strengthen further. The number 8 signal will remain in force for a period of time during the overnight on Tuesday and the morning on Wednesday. Members of the public are reminded to note the latest weather information before departing in the morning on Wednesday. At 11 p.m., Higos was estimated to be about 110 kilometers south of Hong Kong. It is forecast to move northwest or west-northwest at about 20 kilometers per hour towards the coast of western Guangdong. Seas are rough and there are swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Owing to storm surge, some low-lying areas were flooding or backflow of seawater in the morning on Wednesday. For the weather forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday, strong to gale east to northeasterly winds, becoming southeasterlies and moderating gradually on Wednesday. Cloudy with occasional heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Seas will be very rough and swells. Temperature will range between 25 and 29 degrees tomorrow. For the outlook, occasional showers on Thursday, easing off later, sunny periods in the following couple of days.